Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jason. You're tuned into I Speak Geek. So today is a little bit different for me. I'm replacing existing tech that I have in my house. Like maybe a year or two ago, I switched my smart thermostat from the Ecobee to a Nest, and now I'm actually switching back to the Ecobee. So they made some strides in their smart thermostat. They improved their sensors, and they have Alexa smarts built in. And this is an Alexa home, so that's a plus for me. One less speaker I have to place in my family room. Give you a little backstory. The Nest smart thermostat has been acting up. It's unusable. It took me a couple days just to connect it to the app after we had some issues and we tried to factory reset it. But you know, whenever we try to adjust the temperature, it doesn't always look at the sensor. It doesn't balance it or change the room to that particular sensor so it can adjust the temperature. So I'm going back into the Ecobee because my wife is a big fan of the Ecobee smart thermostat. And so am I, just because it takes an average of the house and then balances the temperature appropriately. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture of my wires in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and set it up and let you guys know how it is. If it's any better than the Nest smart thermostat, or is the Ecobee better? With the Ecobee, it is a touchscreen, whereas the Nest, you're using a dial and pushing a button. And that's another thing I noticed, that it didn't quite sit all the way on there. Sometimes it kind of, when you push the bottom, it came off. So let's hope that this is a better setup, and I'm looking just to see how good it is. Let's go ahead, unbox it, get it set up, and I'll give you my thoughts.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young.
Got the Ecobee installed, but with my house, I don't have a C-wire, so I have to use the PET kit or power extending kit. And I'm gonna go ahead and set that up on the control box. For some of you who might be uncomfortable with it, it's really easy. But just to be on the safe side, I would definitely hire an electrician or a pro installer. But I'm good with electricity, being in the military, working with certain things, so I'm comfortable doing this. So if you have no C-wire, definitely don't freak out. A lot of houses don't have it. Mine's a house that was built in the 50s, and so it doesn't have that C-wire. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there. All right, guys, I'll let you know how it goes. Hey guys, so finally got it set up on the control board. I had to go back and read their instructions. And again, these are really great instructions, pretty straightforward. Make sure you're following them because the wiring does change whenever you use the power extending kit. You'll have to reconfigure the wires at the thermostat. I did that, it's powered up, and now I just need to download the app and set it up, and I should be good. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll let you know how it went and give you my final thought. All right, went ahead and got the Ecobee installed, tested, everything seems to be working. Definitely, I've noticed the difference using the touchscreen versus using the wheels and the clicks and the pushing. It stays in place. I'm liking it so far. It's back to the old but new, and this is the Ecobee 5. So with Alexa built in and the smart speaker, so you can play your music and everything through the speaker. But I have a bigger Alexa in the room, so I'm probably not going to do that as much. I'm just kind of curious, since they're supposed to be using the far field mics, if it'll interfere with the other Alexa in the room. So we'll see. Time will tell. And I'm just gonna go ahead and install the sensors and I'm done. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe. And this is Jason, and you tuned into I Speak Geek. Later, guys.
Just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young.